I'm going to teach you the fastest ways to increase your credit score with no hard inquiry. I'm going to teach you my top 4 ways on how to increase your credit score with no hard inquiry. Now, there's going to be a bonus that's going to shock you in the middle of all this. And number 1 is going to cost you $0 if you play your cards right. So make sure that you watch this to the end because there's going to be a lot of value in this video. We're going to start at number 4 and work our way down to number 1. There's not going to be any fluff in this video. I'm going to give you all the sauce for free. Coming in at number 4 is adding a secured loan to your credit profile, or otherwise known as your credit reports. Now, a secured loan is very, very simple. If you're with a credit union, this is going to be the best route for you. You're going to do 2 things when you do a secured loan with your credit union. You're going to make your credit score increase, and you're going to build a relationship and make it stronger with that credit union. Not every credit union offers this, but the best ones do because they understand the value. Remember, the goal of a credit union or bank is to get you to put more money into their bank so they can reinvest your money. You just have to understand how to do it the right way that it benefits you. This is a very simple process. Now, if you don't see it online, most likely you have to call the credit union and say, hey, do you have a secured loan or possibly a CD that you offer that I can actually help build my credit with? And they're most likely gonna tell you yes. We'll use Navy Federal as a good example. Navy Federal has the pledge loan that's not announced all over the place, but you call them and they will explain it to you all over the phone. Now, there is some criteria that you have to focus on when you do a secured loan. Number 1, you want to make sure that it's longer than 24 months, or at minimum, at least 24 months. Some of these secured loans will be offered for 6 or 12 months. You do not want to do that because the term is too short and you will open an account and then close it, and it's going to hurt your credit profile and lower your age of credit. If we're going to add something new, we want it to be at least a minimum of 24 months or 2 years. What you're going to do is you're going to give some money to the bank. You're going to secure this loan with your money. Now, when you give them that money, you want to wait for the account to hit all 3 of your credit reports: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Once the actual secured loan shows up on your credit profile, then you're going to call the bank and you're going to pay off 90% of the loan over the phone. Do not, and I repeat, do not put it on auto payment when you do the loan. You want to make the first manual payments on your own, because if you put it on auto payment, what will happen is when you pay off 90% of the loan, it will close the loan once you make those last final payments because it will recalculate it. We don't want it to close the loan. Remember that. The goal is to keep it open as long as possible. So when you call to pay off the 90% of the loan, you're going to simply tell them, I would like to pay off 90% of the loan and put the remaining amount on auto payment for the next 24 or 48 months. That's going to lower how much you actually owe on your credit reports, and you're also going to get all of that payment history for the next 24 to 48 months. Now, you don't want to do this for no longer than 5 years, but again, at minimum 24 months, because we want that positive payment history to show up on our credit reports, and we want to build a strong relationship with the credit union. 2 birds, 1 stone. Now, coming in at number 3 is one of the biggest, most underrated things that people do not do that they're already doing. That's reporting your rent payments. If you're already renting, those payments should be reported. This is a big thing that I've been marching for over a decade now. It makes no sense why they are not reporting our rent. Well, there are rent reporters out there, and my favorite is Boom. Boom, I've been rocking with for over 4 years now because they're reliable. It reports, and it doesn't break the bank. So for $5 a month, you can report your rent with Boom, and it reports to all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and there is never, ever a hard inquiry. Now, here's my favorite part about Boom. A lot of these rent reporters do not do this. They will report up to 24 months of on-time payment history previously. So if you've been at some place that you've been renting for at least 2 years, 3 years, you can report the previous payment history for 24 full months, and then the moving forward 12 months. That's 36 months of on-time payment history that is injected into your credit profile, boosting your credit score quickly. Now, the biggest question that's asked is, will Boom actually report me late if I'm ever late with my rent? No, they do not report you late ever. Now, the big question is, what type of payments will Boom Report actually report? Let's put it up on the screen here so you can see it straight from Boom's website. Boom can report rental payments made via Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, ACH, check, and more, as long as it can be traced to your bank account, which is awesome. That gives you a lot of different options. Now, remember, there's never any hard inquiry or even even a soft inquiry from Boom Report, so there's nothing to stress out about. Now let's move into the bonus round of a bonus credit builder that people have been asking me about called Tomo Boost. So in order to see if Tomo Boost actually really boosts your credit score, we test all products. We're not afraid to do that. So we signed up for Tomo Boost, Tomo Credit, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, let's put it up on the screen here, right here, so you can see their aggressive marketing. Every day we got an email from Tomo. Credit Warrior, you're pre-approved. This one number could be hurting you. Get your credit ready before higher interest. Your $100,000 credit line is one click away. That one right there caught my attention, of course. And this is exactly what everyone's been asking me about. Mike, is the $100,000 credit line really truly just one click away? So I signed up. It was $1,000. We had to sign up for the VIP membership. Let's put it up on the screen. Also the next slide to show you the price points. This was not the price point that I was offered. So as you can see, it says $129.99 a month or $25 a month. If you do the math, if you do $129.99 a month, that's $1,500. We got it at a discounted rate for $999. That was going to unlock the app and allow us to see and get our $100,000 credit line. So of course we paid. I know it's $1,000. I had to take the risk for you because I wanted to see the truth for myself and bring you back real information. Once we got into the app, we saw that it was a bait and switch, unfortunately. They, in fact, are not offering a $100,000 line of credit to your personal credit. Yes, it has nothing to do with your personal credit, unfortunately. Let's put it up on the screen right here so you can see it. Right there, your business credit card has been reserved. Congratulations on reserving your business credit card. We will contact you with confirmation. They're gonna contact me once it's available, but this isn't gonna help your personal credit. I mean, it's really disappointing because all I can think about the entire time is how many people have they misled with this right here. Yes, it cost us $1,000 to figure it out, but we just had American Express take care of it because they are falsely advertising something that they're not offering. Once you sign up, you get hit with the wham bam thank you ma'am. So unfortunately, Tomo Boost is a huge bust and it does not increase your credit score and it's not gonna help you lower your utilization as they state in the emails and all the jargon that they keep sending you. Now moving on to number 2, a credit builder that actually works. This credit builder comes with no hidden fees. It reports to all 4 credit reporting agencies: Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and Inovis. Yes, 4. And it's also going to give you your FICO credit score that's used by more than 90% of lenders to help you track your credit score. And what that does is it opens an account for 24 months. You want that. Remember we talked about this earlier. You want it for at least a minimum of 24 months to have impact on your credit score. You're going to make your payment $10. You're going to get access into their actual ecosystem with all types of other little goodies to help you grow as a person and help you learn more about your credit score. And every month it's going to build your credit and increase your credit score every single month without carrying any debt. You don't need a credit card. You don't need anything crazy, just $10 a month and it builds your credit. It's just that simple. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using Dispute Beast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with the 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Luis. Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with Dispute Beast. Dispute Beast link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. So let's recap Kovo for a second. There's no credit check, no hidden fees, and instant approval. And it reports to all 4 credit bureaus for $10 a month, and that's it. Link is going to be in the video description for Kovo and for Boom Report to report your rent for anybody that needs it. So when people say you gotta have debt, you gotta have a credit card to build credit, it's actually not true. Kovo has proved that, and Kovo's been changing the game for over 3 years now. Now moving on to number 1, the big head honcho, the fastest and easiest way to increase your credit score that will cost you $0 if you know the right person. Someone usually has someone in their family that has good credit, their aunt, their uncle, their grandma, their grandpa. A lot of times it's grandma and grandpa. They got crazy good credit. They only have maybe 1, maybe 5 credit cards at the most. And then there's the uncle like me that's got 60 credit cards. Yes, over 60. I think it's 65 now or something like that, something crazy. But each one of these credit cards can change any person's life. All you have to do is add them on as an authorized user. So the number 1 spot goes to adding yourself on as an authorized user to an aged credit card. It doesn't matter what the age is as long as it's more than 5 or 6 months. Now, of course, anything past 2 years is pretty crucial. Anything past 5 years is major. Anything past 10 years is going to make your credit score explode. Because when you add somebody onto your credit card as an authorized user, they're going to instantaneously get every single positive payment you've ever made on that credit card from day one. But here's the catch also. If you have any late payments, it's going to affect their credit score also. They're going to get those on their credit report. If you're carrying a balance, it's also going to negatively impact their credit reports also, dropping their credit score if the balance is high enough. So you preferably want to do this with somebody that has a stellar credit profile, no late payments, and is not carrying a balance because it will drop your credit score also. Do you remember how we said that the reason why Boom Report is so powerful is because you can report up to 36 months of on-time payment history? Imagine injecting 5 or 10 years worth of positive payment history. It's going to make your credit score shoot to the moon, especially if you have a thin credit profile. Now here's another catch. If you have collections charge-offs, you're going to see some type of benefit, but nothing like a person who actually has no negative items. So I always tell people, listen, if you add an authorized user to your credit profile and you have charge-offs and collections, you're going to see some type of credit increase, but nowhere near what a person with no derogatories is going to see. So you're going to see a benefit, but it's not going to be as much as if you didn't have any negative items on your credit reports. So the golden rule is work on your credit, fix it, and then add an authorized user, some family member, friend, a homie, a coworker, somebody that you trust that's going to add you to their credit card as an authorized user. It's just really that simple. But here's another big but. Don't do this with American Express because American Express is the only one that will not report previous payment history. They will add you onto the credit card from the date you're added moving forward. Anything from the past, you do not get to benefit from. Now, the age-old question is, should I add my kids on as an authorized user when they're younger? It doesn't really matter. You're not going to build their credit any sooner or any faster because remember, the moment it reports to someone's credit profile, it's instantaneous. They get all of that benefit instantaneously injected into their credit profile. So when your child, your teenager, whoever turns 18, that's when you add them. That's exactly what I did with my son. What you want to do is give them a credit card ahead of time to teach them how to responsibly use a credit card so they stay out of debt. This is how my 19-year-old has managed to stay out of debt. He understands how credit cards work. He understands how to use it, and he doesn't use it for things he doesn't need. And he understands that we don't buy stuff with the credit card that we can't afford. We only use it for our everyday expenses, and we pay it off in full every single month, and that's why he's sitting right above an 800 credit score at the age of 19. Now, another question before I leave you is, should I buy a trade line? There are people that are legitimate out there. I don't know a lot of them. To be honest with you, I don't trust a lot of these big companies because a lot of things can go wrong and a lot of them can actually be scammers. Last part's the most important. One of the biggest things that you can do to make sure and ensure that it reports properly is to do an address merge. So whoever you're being added onto as an authorized user, you want to add that address to your credit profile. So you go to Experian's website, TransUnion's website, and Equifax's website, and you add your actual address for the person that's holding the credit card you're going to be added to. That will actually complete an address merge to help make sure that it actually reports properly. Because some banks like Chase Bank want to see that address merged. A lot of times you can just go to Experian's website and do it there and it will report to all three automatically, but I always say go do it manually to each one of them, and then once you're done, you can remove it from your credit profile after you're done. Now just be aware, this is my last tip here, okay? I know there's a lot to cover when it comes to authorized users, but understand if you purchase this, it is only going to be temporary to help you boost your credit score. So a lot of times I say if you want to prepare your credit profile before you go buy a car or you're making a big purchase like a boat or a house, this can help you. But with the house, they will remove the authorized users if your credit profile is too thin to see what you actually look like. So just be aware of that. This works with cars and motorcycles and RVs and different stuff like that. But with homes, they don't play any games. They will remove the authorized users if they see your credit profile is way too thin. And again, remember, this is only temporary. So once you're removed from that credit card, you're going to lose all that age of credit, and it's going to drop your credit score all the way back to wherever you're at since you've been building. So I tell people, this is why it's better to do it with a friend or a family member, because you can stay on there longer while you build your credit profile up and you become a responsible borrower. And no, unfortunately, this is not a quick fix to fix your credit and boost your credit score, because lenders can still see the charge-offs and collections, so it's not gonna help you. But if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's gonna show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, and it comes with a 110% money-back guarantee and a free credit analysis, so you can take action and see what's hurting your credit immediately. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.